Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use Habitica for gamified goal tracking. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Habitica for gamified goal tracking, all you can do is simply go to Habitica. Once you're in your Habitica, all you gotta do now is simply use Habitica for gamified goal tracking by creating an account. Once you've created an account, you can customize your avatar. You can once customize your avatar and then categorize your goals into habits. You can simply give it like a negative or positive behaviors, and you can use it for like recurring tasks or like dailies and have your to-dos or like one-off tasks. So completing these tasks earns experience and gold for your character, while missing dailies can cause you to lose your health point. You can also join parties and guilds, complete quests, and set up your real life rewards to further motivate yourself. So this way, you can simply use Habitica for gamified goal tracking. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.